welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Dime Dilemma puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dave Janelle and made by Creative Craft House in the United States. Difficulty level of the Dime Dilemma puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit one dime into the frame with all the rest 9 wooden circles. This puzzle was made of laser cut wood, and as you can see, there are circles. There are numbers on circles. You can find all numbers from 1 to 10 except for the number 3, since the dime is the circle number 3. Each number means the size of the circle. Number 2 is 2 times bigger than the first one. Number 5 is 5 times bigger than the first circle, and circle number 10 is 10 times bigger than the first one. And now you have to figure out the way how to fit all circles, including the one dime. But as you can see, there is not enough space. You can maybe move the circle number 1 in different place, but still there is not enough space to fit the coin inside. And you may spend a lot of time before you will figure out the way how to reorganize all wooden pieces and find the way to fit the one dime coin. This puzzle is related to a 10 penny puzzle, which you probably already know. It was a little bit easier to solve, but the Dime Dilemma is much harder than the 10 penny puzzle. If you like the Dime Dilemma puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.